Yes or no, children? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
If x and y are directly proportional, then we write as how do we write x proportional y? Always remember we write it as x proportional y. In case of proportions, the proportionality sign goes in the bracket, put the proportionality sign. Equal to sign comes. Along with a constant of proportionality k. K is taken as constant of proportionality. Remember this thing, okay? Whenever you will have a proportionality sign here onwards. So see children, therefore x proportional y. I said proportionality goes, equality comes along with a k. So x is equal to ky. Therefore, x upon y is equal to k. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And this is what we said, that the ratio x upon y is constant. Did we say x upon y is constant? X1 upon y1 is equal to k, that is x upon y equal to k. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So always remember that x upon y means what? X1 upon y1, x2 upon y2, x3 upon y3. Whenever the ratios remain constant, it is going to be directly proportional. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Finish writing. Have you finished writing?
No, sir, not yet.
Finish it off. Who is missing? As usual, Chaitanya Mane is missing. And who is missing? Aditya Raj Mane. And And who is missing? Tanishka. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now open your textbooks. This question will solve with the textbook itself. Try this page number 204. Can you see this question in your textbooks? Observe the following tables and find if x and y are directly proportional. When will x and y be directly proportional? Just now we have said, when will they be directly proportional?
When their ratios are constant.
X1 upon y1 is x2 upon y2 is x3 upon y3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Means we need to check their ratios. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us find out the ratio. Just orally only we will check it. So tell me what is first ratio?
1/2.
Yes. 21 za 22 za. Second ratio?
1/2.
14 upon 28. What happens?
1
1
upon
upon
2.
2.
11 upon 22.
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2.
8 upon 16.
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2.
5 upon 10.
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2.
And 2
1
upon
upon 2.
4.
1 upon 2.
Are all the ratios same?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
can I say that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, what? X is directly proportional to Y. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Here. 6 upon 4. What is the ratio?
No, sir.
3 upon 2. 3 upon 2.
Correct. 2 3 za, 2 2 za. What about 10 upon 8?
5 upon 4.
Are they equal?
No, sir.
Do I
No,
have
sir.
to check further? Because here only they are
No.
not equal.
No.
No.
What will I write? X
Not in
upon Y is not
Is not equal
constant.
to.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is X and Y directly proportional over here?
No.
X and Y are not directly proportional. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
5 upon 15
1 upon 3.
1 upon 3.
1/3.
here.
1 upon 3.
1 upon 3.
1.
So they are directly proportional.
upon-
Yes or no? Here,
Yes, sir.
therefore, X
Yes,
upon Y
sir.
is directly. Yes or no?
No.
No, sir.
No.
No,
Yes,
sir.
No,
I
sir.
have to
No,
check.
No,
sir.
no.
What is 12 upon 36?
1 upon 3.
1 upon 3.
15 upon 60?
1/4.
4 upon 4.
18 upon 72? 1 upon 4.
1/4.
And 20 is 1
1/5.
upon 5. So
1 upon
5.
5.
these two ratios are equal, but not
1
all.
upon 5.
Not all. So again, X upon Y is not constant. It is changing. Yes or no?
Sir, T is for what? What is for K?
What are you asking?
So, what is mean by K? It is constant.
Constant. Huh? See now this 1 upon 2, now everywhere it was 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1. Means here the value of k is 1 upon 2. The constant ratio. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But here it was not constant. Here also it was not constant. So ratio is not k. X is not proportional to y. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, question number 2. This we won't solve as of now because this interest wale principal interest and compound interest. As of now, we will not take that chapter. Once we cover that chapter, now in school, I don't think teacher will be taking that, but I'll be taking it over here. So once we cover that chapter, we'll come back to this sum. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope you all have solved this sum in the textbook itself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And Malhar and Utkarsha, I hope you have seen what is to be done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, right, all of you, page number 204, example 1. Now, we will discuss. I will explain you how it is to be written. Don't worry. This is your page 204. Example 1. Let me read the cloth of the cost of 5 meters of a particular cloth is 210. Tabulate the cost. Tabulate means what? Prepare a table. So tabulate the cost of 2, 4, 10, and 13 meters. Okay? Now all of you pay attention. As the length of the cloth increases, will its cost also increase or decrease?
Increase.
Means length is increased, cost is increased. Both the quantities are increasing. Means it is going to be a direct proportion. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So those
Yes, sir.
cases where another quantity in word problems, when one quantity increases and another quantity also increases, such cases are going to be directly proportional. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
it's
sir.
clear? Now start writing along with me always. Always we'll start the solution like this. Always a compulsory. The given info. Now in your schools, they might have taught like this or not, but you will have this habit. This is a correct way of writing. The given information, of course, they have given like this only in the schools, but some words here and there they might have given or they might have not written, but we will write it completely. The given information can be tabulated as, always remember, one quantity you will write x, that is going to be what? Length. Length in meters would be your x. Always mention who is x and who is y. Length in meters is x, cost in rupees. Cost in rupees is going to be y. Correct? Now let us write what they have given. Length was 5 meters, cost was 210. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Further, what they are asking? Prepare a table for the cost of 2 meters, cost they are asking. 4 meters, cost they are asking. 10 meters ka cost they are asking and 13 meters ka cost they are asking. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
And these all are going to be blanks. We don't know this cost. Am I right? We have to find out these costs.
Yes, sir.
So always first we prepare a table of the given information. Make a table. All of you will make a table. For direct and inverse proportions, you will always prepare a table. Then we'll write further. Here. X is directly proportional to Y. Number 1. Therefore, x1 upon y1 will be x2 upon y2. Put the values. 5 upon 210 is equal to 2 upon y2. Cross multiply and get the answer. Y2 comes here. Y2 is equal to 2 into 210 upon 5. This 5 goes there and 5 goes at the denominator. So 5 ones are 5 fours are 20. 2 into 4, 20, 200 upon 5 is 42. So 2 into 42, your y2 would become 84. Are you understanding? Immediately highlight your y2. And in place
Yes,
of a y2 with the pencil itself, you will put a 84. Am I clear?
yes, sir.
Again, x1 upon y1 will also be equal to x3 upon y3 because all ratios are equal. What is x1 upon y1? 5 upon 200. Keep one ratio constant. X3 is 4. Can you see this is x? X1, x2, x3, x4, and x5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We need to find out y2, y3, y4, and y5. Correct?
Yes, sir.
4 upon y3. 5 upon 210, 4 upon y3. This y3 we need to cross multiply. Y3 is equal to 4 into 210 upon 5. Just now we have seen this is 42. So y3 is your 4 into 42. So y3 becomes what? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me what? What should I write for number 3? Before that, with my pencil, I'll write here 168. For number 3, what should I put? Bolo?
X1 upon y1 is equal to x4 upon y4.
Correct. X4 upon Y4. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What do I write here?
5 upon 210 is equal to 10
10
upon
upon
y3 is
y3. y4.
y4.
Y4 is equal to
10 into 5
5
upon
upon
200, 210 upon 5.
and this was 42. We had only found it out. What is Y4?
420.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty?
No, sir.
What will be Wi-Fi? Not your house wala Wi-Fi. Your Y and phi I am asking. Ultimate result will be what? 13 into 42. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you see this? This was when it came for 2, 2 into 42. For 4, 4 into 42. For 10, 10 into 42. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you find out this answer and tell me what should come over here.
Five, four, six, sir.
546. Very good answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. 546.
Any difficulty? Any difficulty?
Sir.
Finished? Finished?
No,
Yes, sir.
Example 2 will solve and then we can stop. Now you see an electric pole 14 meters high casts a shadow of 10 meters. Find the height of a tree that casts a shadow 15 meters under similar conditions. What do you think? What happens under similar conditions? At the same time, suppose there is a tall object. Will its shadow be more or less
More.
than a shorter object?
More.
So more the height, more the shadow, less the height, less the shadow. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So is it a case of direct proportion?
Yes, sir.
And what is directly proportional to what? Which two
Height of
quantities are directly proportional? Height of the object and the shadow.
shadow.
Yes or
And the
no?
shadow.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So how am I going to start my answer? The given information
The
can be
given
tabulated as.
information.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Always this is going to be my first line. The given information can be tabulated as. What should I write first? Height in meters is x and shadow also is in meters. Yes or no?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Why?
Shadow in meters is going to be y quantity. फर्स्ट किसका हाइट दिया है?
Pole.
14. So when
14.
14 was the height, how much was the shadow?
10.
What is next given to us?
15 meter shadow.
Means what is this? X2 is
X2
unknown.
and Y2 is equal to 15.
Yes or no? Because the shadow is given this time. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Prepare a table for that. Always prepare a table. Always it should be first in a tabular form. Compulsory, I have told you. See, it looks also so nice when you make a tabular form. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And the idea becomes so very clear. So what are we going to write here?
Here x
X
is
is directly proportional to y. Yes or no?
yes.
So x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. 14 upon 10 is equal to x2 upon 15. What transposes?
x2 is equal to 15 into 10 upon 14.
No, beta, no. Wrong. 14 upon 10 into 15 is equal to this. Just 15 goes there. Don't transpose everything. Only x2 will remain as it is. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So 5 2s are 5 3s are 2 1s are 2 7s are. So your x2 is what?
21.
So this becomes your 7 into 3 is equal to x2. So ultimately 21 is equal to x2. That is x2 is equal to 21. Yes or no?
Yes.
Thus what should I write? The height of the tree. Whose shadow is, or okay, whose (15 meters) is 21 meters. The height of the tree that casts, or whose shadow is 15 meters, is 21 meters. Height of the tree is 21 meters. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are we understanding what we are writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first we have to decide whether it is a case of direct or inverse proportion. Means that right now only we are dealing about direct. And if it is a directly proportion, then x1 upon x2 is equal to y1 upon y2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So today we'll stop over here for the day. We'll continue tomorrow.
Okay,
Finish with
sir.
this sum,
Bye,
all of
sir.
you.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Goodbye, all of you.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Hi, sir.